Tucked away in the north end of town is the community of Providence. The name Providence is meant to inspire a connection with nature. The connection is easy to find with the meandering tree-lined trails lacing the development. All trails lead to the 3 parks within. Knickerbocker Park is a large 15-acre area with separate play areas for big and little kids and dogs of all kind. Huckleberry Park is known for its open grass fields, but also for its pickup basketball games. The promenade is the central park of the neighborhood. This is where kids play after school and where the community joins together in an extremely active calendar of events, from ice cream socials to 4th of July fireworks. While you can drive to this central park, most of your neighbors walk or ride on the cooling, tree-lined streets or trails. Providence has a variety of smaller neighborhoods built by some of the most well-known builders in Las Vegas. You are sure to find a floor plan to match your taste and lifestyle. Providence is a quiet community with its own schools within its boundaries. It's easy to stay in the neighborhood for days without leaving. When you do leave, you will find all the conveniences of a modern community. The Centennial Corridor has a lively collection of dining and shopping opportunities, with nationally recognized chains and locally owned mom-and-pop experiences. Providence is located in the northwest corner of the Las Vegas Valley, just minutes to both Interstate 95 and the 215.